Welcome back, or hello for the first time. Today's session is a little bit for the core, for some strength, and that's the focus. But of course, we will work pretty much all areas of the body. Let's get started right away. We're going to start in all fours and tabletop. But today we are turning the hands around so the fingertips face the outside. And if it feels okay for you, you turn them even further so the fingertips face towards your knees. That way we can mobilize the wrists a little bit by making a small circular motion, gently, to warm up the wrists. We're gonna need them a little bit today, not too much, don't worry. You know I'm always nice. I'm always nice to you. Or am I not? I would like to know. Okay, then turn them back. From here, round your back into a cat, all the way, the whole spine. And come into a cow, drop the rib cage, drop the belly, and then again round, starting with the lumbar spine. And release. One more. Come into a neutral spine. Place the toes on the mat and push up into a down dog. The heels are going towards the mat. Long arms, long back. You can keep the knees bent if it's a bit too much yet, since we're just getting started. And from here, come forward into plank. Hands underneath the shoulders. Drop the knees. Come down. Chin and chest on the mat. And then push forward into a cobra. Back down. Come back up into a plank. And from the plank into down dog. Bring the right leg to the front, drop the left heel, and come up into warrior. Warrior A. Just hold and breathe. Release the arms down, step back. Bring the left foot between your hands and drop the right heel. Come up, hold and breathe. Hands down, step back. Right leg goes up, all the way up. Three-legged dog. The left heel pushes down onto the mat. And then you bend the right knee that is in the air. Bring that knee in between your hands towards your nose, around your back. Hold. Come back up. Now bring that knee to your left elbow. Hold. Bring it back up. And bring it to your right elbow. Back up. Bring the knee back to your nose. And then drop that shin onto the mat. Drop the left knee and the left foot. In this pose, lift up with your upper body. It's like the pigeon pose, but we keep the body up. And if it's available to you, lift your arms in this pose. And I give you one other option. Interlace the hands behind your back and pull your shoulders away from your ears. Lean back like a small back bend. So choose your option. Breathe. And release. Hands on the mat. Bring the left toes back on the mat. Push into the mat and step back. Down dog. Left leg goes up. Right heel pushes down. Bring that left knee now. First bend the left knee and then bring that knee in between your hands towards the nose. Round your back. Hold. Come back up. Bring the knee to your right elbow. Hold. Come back up and to your left. And back up. One more time to the center. And then drop the shin. Drop the right knee, drop the right foot. Come up with your body, with your upper body. Stay here. Option 2, bring the arms up. Look up. Option 3, hands behind your bum. Pull the shoulders away. Breathe. Release. Step back. Breathe. Relax. In. Down dog. Drop the knees on the mat. Hands are underneath your shoulders. Here, lift the left leg up so it's on hip level. And bring the right arm to the side. Now the left leg stays as stable as possible. While with the exhale, you bring that right arm underneath your body. And with the inhale, you open to the side. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Stay open. Drop the back foot and open more. Open more to the side. Come back. Lift the right leg. the toes are point. No, flex. Flex, the toes are pointing towards you. That's what I wanted to say. Left arm goes to the side. And then you exhale, come underneath your body. And with the inhale, you open. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Last one. Open up. Stay open. Drop the back foot and open even more. Stay and breathe. Come back. Open the knees. Close the feet. Push back into child pose. Long arms. Drop your forehead. Breathe. Come back. Cross the feet and sit back. Lift the legs. 90 degrees here. And the arms are on the side. Chest out. Keep the knees bent. You can of course straighten them to boat pose if you wish, but it's not needed. Okay, then drop the feet. Bring the hands next to your hip. Now push the hip up, all the way up. Look up. Head is straight. Stay. Push out of your shoulders. It's a nice shoulder stretch. Sink down again. Feet up. We're going to do 3 rounds. So it's already the second round. Just hold and breathe. Drop and lift. Come down. Last round. Lift your legs, lift your arms, chest out. Just hold, push the knees together. And maybe, since it's the third round, you want to straighten your legs now. And then drop and come up. Release. Just lean above your legs and relax for a moment. Drop your head. Breathe. From here, close your feet, drop the knees outside, bring the hands underneath your lower legs and touch your feet. And in this pose, turtle pose, just relax, drop your head, relax your neck, breathe. Release, close your feet, straighten the legs, and now keep the legs on the floor, slowly roll down, vertebra by vertebra. Keep the legs on the mat. And when you're down, stretch long, arms above your head. Put the feet on the mat one more time, and then windshield wipers with the knees right and left. And then bring the hands next to your hip, and either leave the feet where they are and let the knees fall inward so the knees are touching. Stay here and relax in that pose, or come into Shavasana, long legs, close your eyes and breathe. Maybe you want to exhale out of your mouth with the sound. You did it. Great job. So good that you keep showing up. And with that, you can either stay or continue with your workout. I thank you. Place your hands on top of your eyebrow area, in between the eyebrows. Thanks, and I hope to see you next time.